Hello you guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another lifestyle favorites video. So these are some of my absolute favorite videos to film. I show you guys so much stuff that I'm either trying or I don't know, just like first getting whatever throughout my vlogs and my fashion videos throughout the month. But I like to kind of have one place where it's like, okay, this is the best of the best. If you're looking for some new stuff to try, this is it. So yeah, we've got a really good roundup this month. I feel like we've got some great fashion pieces, some cool new makeup and skincare, and food and random bits that I'm super excited to jump in and share with you guys. So let's jump in and let's start with my first favorite and today's sponsor of the video, which is Magicspoon. You guys know, if you watch my vlogs, I show them all the time. I absolutely love Magicspoon. It's such a fun way to keep a childhood like nostalgia feeling, like not give up, something like that, because it's full of like sugars and bad for you things. And an awesome way for me personally, since I'm on like a newfound health fitness way of living. I wouldn't even say it's like a hobby or a passion. It's literally like a way of living now. I'm always looking for fun ways to get protein into my diet, just because I'm just not somebody who wants to just eat chicken, broccoli, and rice, and this is an awesome way. You're not giving up any flavor by switching to Magicspoon. I was shocked when I tried this cinnamon flavor. I had no idea I was gonna like it. Of course, I love the chocolate, the peanut butter, but the cinnamon, I was like, this is good, you guys. This has become quickly my new favorite midnight snack. I'm not typically a midnight snacker, but this hits the spot. So I love that you can build your own variety boxes on their website. So I'll share with you some of my favorite flavors. Obviously cinnamon, peanut butter, can't go wrong with chocolate. This is a new box. I haven't even opened this one yet. They reformulated the honey nuts and made it part of their permanent collection. They always come out with new fun flavors, which is, I love that. So make sure you add this to your variety box. It has grown to be one of my favorite flavors. Scott's too. I had to stop him from bringing this on his little guys trip this weekend because I was like, no, that's staying with me in Arlo. So obviously, besides the fact that they taste amazing, which is the number one most important thing, right? They have 0 grams of sugar, 4 grams of net carbs, and anywhere from 12 to 14 grams of protein, which is like unheard of for cereal. They're around 140 calories depending on the flavor per serving. This also will fit a multitude of different dietary needs. It is keto, it's grain-free, soy-free, gluten-free, obviously low carb. So if no matter what your dietary preferences are, Magicspoon's got you covered. And last but not least, Magicspoon was awesome and went ahead and gave us a coupon code. So it is Kelly's Life, and you can save $5 off when you build your own variety box. Don't forget to add my favorite flavor, cinnamon, and their new honey nut as well. They've got a ton of different options though. They have like those more like traditional cereals. They've got fruity, they've got blueberry, they've got literally anything you could want, and I think you will absolutely love it. And Magicspoon knows you're gonna love it as well because they guarantee it. If you don't love it, you can get your money back, but I know you're gonna love it. It honestly has changed the game for cereal for me. In the comments, let me know, have you tried any of the flavors? What are your favorites? Or if you're gonna place an order, let me know what flavors you try out so I can add it to my next variety pack. So again, thank you to Magicspoon for sponsoring this portion of today's video. I absolutely love them, so of course, they had to make an appearance in my favorites video. So continuing with food, I have a new favorite ice cream that I tried out this month. And you guys know I'm a huge fan of the Yasso Greek yogurt ice cream bars. They're phenomenal. But I tried Fairlife, which I love their protein shakes, and I saw that they created ice cream. I don't know how long it's been around, but I picked it up at my Tom Thumb. I don't have it to show you because I ate it, so I will put a picture right here. This ice cream is so freaking creamy. Again, high protein. Can you I like high protein things. I want to eat my protein in fun ways instead of just drinking protein shake and eating chicken. Sorry. Anywho, I mean, I still drink protein shakes. Don't get me wrong. But this ice cream was so freaking creamy and like didn't taste like a healthier-ish ice cream, which is important to me. I love finding substitutes that, you know, will better fit my lifestyle, but at the end of the day, if it doesn't taste good, I'm not gonna eat it and I don't want it. So check this out when you make your next grocery run. If they have Fairlife, check out that ice cream. All right, let's segue into beauty items. First one is super random. my razor. I picked up this razor because honestly my Schick razor was just very old and like getting gross up in the nooks and crannies. I don't know why they make clear razors, like nobody wants to see that soap scum in there, but I was like, this is too much. It's time to get myself a new one. And I've heard amazing things about the Harry's razors, so I decided to try it. I honestly think my dad uses these razors. I don't know. They're really affordable and they started selling them at Target, so I picked it up in my like recent, oh gross. Well, that's real life. There's a hair on it. I just picked it up in my recent Target pickup order and I've been loving it. So if you're looking for a new razor, check them out. They're a 5-blade razor, so affordable. Like, I got sick of spending like $40 on razor blades. Like, it's nuts how expensive they are. And when I worked for Sephora, I was talking to, or like we were doing a loss prevention sort of seminar situation. I don't know, it was like a class. And she talked about the real reason why razors are very, very expensive. And the biggest thing is that the theft is so high. So they have a very, like, they lose a lot of products. So they raise their prices to combat the fact that people steal a lot of razors. So yeah, I didn't know that either. And maybe that's why Harry's is able to keep it more affordable, because they didn't always sell in stores, so I hope they don't raise their prices. But nonetheless, I've been absolutely loving this. It's technically a men's razor. I don't know why razors can be men's versus women's. Marketing, that's why. Anywho, next product is something I actually feel like I've said I didn't like before. So I felt like I needed to come on and clarify that I do like it now and tell you why. Okay, it's what I have on my lips right now. It is the Too Faced Hangover RX Pillow Balm. You guys know I absolutely love the banana one. I've gone through 2 of them already and I have another one coming in the mail very, very soon. This one is the Watermelon Kiss, which I decided to try out after I fell in love with the banana one. And I hated it at first because it's like a thick lip balmy gloss, and that's what it is. It's glossy, but it feels like a balm on your lips. So good. Anyways, you can get carried away with this stuff. Like, it can look so like pink, but in a cool tone pink, which can make you look kind of weird. But if you do a sheer like coat of it, I feel like it's not too much, but I was putting way too much and it was like giving me like plastic Barbie doll vibes. So yeah, a lot of products will come out on it, so just kind of scrape off the sides and just do a sheer wash over it, and I grew to love it. So I felt like I needed to put this in here. But if pink is not your color, try the banana one. It's my absolute favorite. I haven't tried any of the other ones. I've heard mango is good. I want to say they have a mango one. I don't know. They also have a cocoa one, which is like a brown nudie sort of color, but just keep in mind they're a thicker, not super opaque, but you can build them to be pretty like pigmented. So that's why I hated it at first, because it really isn't in the same category as my banana flavor one, which is like, you know, every day. I can put that on no matter what. And this, I was like, this isn't an everyday gloss, but I still love it because it's a fun pop of pink. So yeah, give that a go. This guy, Bondi Sands, is known for their tanner, and they released a skincare line not that long ago, but they reached out to me and offered to send me some. This isn't sponsored by any means. They said if you want to feature it, cool. If not, we just want to send it to you. And I was like, heck yeah, I love their tanner. And I feel like Australia does some really good stuff, and their skincare line did not disappoint. I've tried a couple of their products now, and this one has been my favorite. I've used this probably at least once a week since I got it. This is their purifying clay mask with blue spirulina extract. Something about their skincare is when I first saw that they were releasing a skincare line, I was like, oh, it's gonna be like whatever. But they have a lot of like active ingredients and good for you, like really good serums. So check out their stuff, and it's affordable. I really want to try out their sunscreen that they have, their mineral sunscreen. If you've tried it out, let me know. But this one's awesome. It's a detoxifying mask, and it does dry down. I want a dry down mask when I'm trying to detox and like suck everything out of my skin. I want it to dry down. But this one is amazing. So it's got that bentonite clay, it's got matcha in it, it's got blue spirulina, and it helps reduce redness and draws out impurities to leave your skin firm and glowing, and it really freaking does. I love this stuff. So if you haven't tried out the Bondi Sands, I don't have any sort of affiliate. Like I said, I just was gifted this and I honestly really, really enjoyed it. And I was impressed by their whole line and the affordability, and like, I felt like their ingredients were really good. So I'm excited to continue to try out more. The sunscreen is next on my list to check out. All right, so if you watched my tanner video that I put up, I think earlier this month or last month, I mentioned this guy. It's the Tan-Luxe The Butter Illuminating Body Butter or Tanning Butter. This replaced my Isle of Paradise, I wanna say, tanning butter. I feel like they're the exact same company. Or Isle of Paradise just rips off Tan-Luxe and comes out with more affordable stuff. But I found this, I wanna say on HSN for a really affordable price. If they have any sort of sale, I will link it down below. This is good. It has a glow and a sheen to it. I can wear this like throughout the day and I don't have any issues with it. It's not my main tanner. It's more of, like I said, a gradual tan. Something to help like maintain the longevity of your current tan that you already did. This is beautiful. Like I said, it has that shimmer in it, so it glows on your skin, helps just kind of make your skin look very flawless, while also building a gradual, very natural tan. So I absolutely love this stuff. Going into summer, obviously, you have to stay hydrated or else your tan is just gonna slough off. So this I think will be my new best friend this summer. It's already been really good for me, and I think I've like gone through almost half of it. It's good, it's good. All right, let's get into some fashion-y favorites. My little sunnies. I featured these in so many try-on hauls recently, and I don't know, when I first got them I was like, those are interesting, but I actually really love them. So I got these off Amazon, super affordable. The quality is nice. I mean, they're lightweight, obviously, but I don't like super heavy glasses, so I really like them. I didn't have just an all black pair of sunglasses. I am typically a tortoiseshell girl through and through, but I thought these were fun and a different way to like edge up an outfit. These are edgy for me. That's edgy for me, I know. All right, I have so many different fashion pieces. If you guys have not kept up with all of my fashion videos, I'm putting out one every single week because I have fallen back in love with fashion and styling outfits and all that stuff. So I found some really amazing pieces from this month's haul, so let me show you. This first pair is a pair of denim shorts. These are much loved. I need to actually wash these. I've worn them a couple times. I tried out Madewell this month, and these, like, I had to keep. These were so amazing. So these are their relaxed mid-length denim short, and I got these in a size 25. I honestly could have sized down even more. These are meant to fit quite large, and they fit me very like loose and relaxed, but so freaking comfortable. I love everything about these shorts. They're the perfect length on me. Good bum coverage. I like the way they hit me on my waist. I love the amount of distressing that they have. I like the color of them. These are the most like comfortable denim shorts, and I know denim shorts can be something that is not very comfortable, but these are amazing. I feel like you can dress these up. You can throw these over the swimsuit. These are just such a good staple piece. And I know Madewell makes pricey shorts. I think these were like, I don't know. I think I got them on sale, but Madewell is known for their denim and their shorts, and for a good reason. I've never tried it, but these were my first pair that I tried, and I absolutely fell in love with these. So links down below, but do size down at least one size, if not two, if you're looking for a more like super form-fitting short. This guy. I meant to mention this in my last favorites, but I guess I forgot. I think this is dirty. I need to probably wash it, but this is the A&F bodysuit, that like boat neck, high neck trend situation. I absolutely love this bodysuit. I have shown it in multiple try-on hauls, not just my Abercrombie one. It is such a basic, a staple. I feel like if you just need one bodysuit to get you through the summer, to mix and match, to layer with, to just wear by itself, this is it. It's double lined, so you don't need to wear a bra. You don't see any sort of you know what. And this is phenomenal. It has the thong style bottom in the back. It's so fitted, it sucks you in. It's absolutely beautiful. I freaking love Abercrombie's bodysuits, and that one specifically, I thought that style was just so freaking cute, and I've worn the heck out of it. Speaking of worn the heck out of it, this yellow sweater When I said I was just gonna start wearing yellow and embracing it, I went for it. And this yellow sweater gives me my big bird dreams come true. I love this yellow sweater from H&M. I have worn the heck out of it. I think I've worn it every single week since I got it. It's the perfect yellow color, and I can't wait to wear it for Easter. And now that I'm thinking about it, I will look like a giant chick. I love everything about this sweater. Love the little tortoiseshell buttons, love that it's kind of cropped. I love to layer it over that white bodysuit. Personally, that's how I wear it. It's beautiful, it's soft. It's the perfect yellow. You need it. It's the perfect yellow. When I make the links for this video to link that, I'm gonna see what other colors they have, because if they have other spring colors, ooh, if they have a baby pink or a baby blue, it's over. I need it. Another try on haul that I did this month was Everlane, and I fell in love with this basic striped shirt. I don't know. I styled this a million different ways, and I knew I had to keep it. It was so beautiful. It's just such a timeless classic piece. And I, believe it or not, my striped shirts that I did have, I've had for a really long time, and they were getting pretty worn out and just not quite the style that I wanted. They were more like form-fitting shirts. So this one's a little bit looser and baggier. I love it. I love the little Everlane logo that they have. I fell back in love with Everlane, and yeah, this shirt made the cut. Okay. I don't know if this was last month. I don't remember when I did my Old Navy haul, but I have another one coming soon because I love Old Navy so much, and you guys seem to really like that haul as well. They're khakis. I can't believe that I've been asleep on khakis. Why have I not, like a chino khaki though? Not like your typical like Target khaki. I mean, I guess you could wear these for Target. But these are so nice. You can dress them super casual. You can dress them up. These are so cute. They're the perfect like relaxed chino look. I love the little cuff at the bottom. They have a bungee in the back so it fits you. It's not by like your pant size, it's by like small, medium, large, but it's bungeed in the back, but it doesn't look it because the front is not bungeed, which I think is nice. It gives more of like a, I don't know, not sweatpants sort of look. But these would be the perfect thing if you were in an office, just for like, you know, comfortable, you know, you're upgrading your sweatpants to like actually going back into the office, time to put on pants. These you'll want in your collection, believe me. So those are all of my favorites this month, you guys. Oh, wait. Shows. I finished the podcast last month, I wanna say, The Thing About Pam, and now I'm watching the show, and I think I only have one episode left. The Thing About Pam on, I think it's on NBC, but I watched it on Hulu. So good. You guys, you have to listen to the podcast. It's on Dateline, on Apple Podcasts, and then check out the show. If you watch the show, let me know. Do you love it? So good. Anyways, yeah, that is what I've been loving. For podcasts, you guys, I'm kind of at a slump for podcasts. I've been listening to just like Dateline on podcasts, and honestly, it shows, because when I don't have a good podcast to listen to, my motivation for walks go like this, because I don't allow myself to listen to podcasts unless I'm walking. So help me out, and please leave me some good podcast recommendations down in the comments down below, and help anybody else who's looking for some good podcasts, because I have been at a loss for good podcasts. I know they take a really long time to create, so I don't blame them. I can't imagine like the process of creating a podcast. But anyways, those are all my favorites. I hope you guys enjoyed. Again, if you have not already checked out Magicspoon, give them a check out. The links are in the description box, so you can save $5 off your box with the code Kelly's Life. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed watching my monthly lifestyle favorites. I will see you all in my next one.